Bienvenue chez Examist, votre partenaire de confiance pour réussir vos certifications. Nous proposons des supports d'études complets, en ligne et hors ligne. Et nous sommes là pour vous guider pas à chaque étape. Des guides PDF détaillés aux exercices pratiques bien structurés. Toutes les questions essentielles sont soigneusement couvertes pour vous donner toutes les chances de réussir. Vous aurez toujours les bonnes ressources à portée de main. Téléchargez les PDFs. Faites des tests et connectez-vous à notre équipe d'assistance experte. Avec la pratique interactive en ligne. Entraînez-vous et quand vous voulez. À votre rythme. Nos PDFs prêts pour l'examen sont soigneusement élaborés et régulièrement mis à jour. Des milliers d'apprenants certifiés font confiance à notre qualité et à notre sérieux. Des professionnels qualifiés sont disponibles pour répondre à vos questions. Commencez dès aujourd'hui et donnez à votre préparation l'avantage décisif avec Examist. Visitez Examist. Comme dès maintenant. Examist. Votre parcours vers le succès commence ici.
Question 1. A bank wants to send out a series of emails to new customers that open a checking or savings account. The emails will be used to educate and inform customers regarding their current account and other bank offerings. Data for the campaign will be in two data extensions: customer and new accounts. The customer data extension is currently used for multiple campaigns and is updated at 1:00 a.m. The new accounts data is encrypted and will be placed on the SFTP at 10:00 p.m., which automated workflow meets the customer's requirements. Option A. A scheduled automation which starts at 2:00 a.m. and executes data extract activity, import file activity greater than SQL query activity, wait activity, send email activity. Option B. A drop automation which executes file transfer activity, import file activity greater than SQL query activity, wait activity, send email activity. Option C. A scheduled automation which starts at 2:00 a.m. and executes a file transfer activity, import file activity greater than SQL query activities, wait activity, send email activity. Option D. A scheduled automation which starts at 12:00 a.m. and executes a file transfer activity, import file activity greater than SQL query activities, wait activity, send email activity. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. A scheduled automation which starts at 2:00 a.m. and executes a file transfer activity, import file activity greater than SQL query activities, wait activity, send email activity. Question 2. During discovery, the customer outlines data requirements and the anticipated use of Marketing Cloud with the following criteria. Customer data will be fully refreshed every night via import file activity from the customer's data warehouse. Contact records will be augmented by relational data tables via Contact Builder. Customer ID will be used as the unique identifier for each contact. Which statement differentiates the use of data extensions over lists? Option A. Data extensions are necessary for Contact Builder. Option B. Data extensions allow for add, update, import file activity. Option C. Data extensions can store HTML code as an attribute. Option D. Data extensions support customer ID to be used as subscriber key. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Data extensions are necessary for Contact Builder. Question 3. A customer wants Sales Cloud users to create and send Marketing Cloud emails. Which two recommendations should the consultant make? Choose 2. Option A. The consultant should enable deep linking in Marketing Cloud Connect configuration. Option B. Each user should have a one-to-one relationship between the Marketing Cloud user and the Sales Cloud user. Option C. Each Sales Cloud user should have a system administrator profile and a role at the top of the role hierarchy. Option D. The consultant should enable the Create Email feature on the user profile in Sales Cloud. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. The consultant should enable deep linking in Marketing Cloud Connect configuration. Option B. Each user should have a one-to-one relationship between the Marketing Cloud user and the Sales Cloud user. Question 4. A customer is collecting data from a smart capture form that stores submissions in a data extension. The customer wants an email was sent to the marketing manager each morning that contains the previous day's submissions as a CSV attachment. Assuming that the customer has the attachments feature enabled, which automation workflow will accomplish this? Option A. Scheduled automation. Data extract greater than SQL query, transfer file, send email. Option B. Triggered automation. SQL query, data extract, transfer file, send email. Option C. Scheduled automation. SQL query, data extract, transfer file, send email. Option D. Triggered automation. Data extract greater than SQL query, transfer file, send email. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Scheduled automation. SQL query, data extract, transfer file, send email. Question 5. ABC company has to import a file that will be different every time. What method should be used? Option A. Add only. Option B. Update only. Option C. Overwrite. Option D. Add, update. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Overwrite. Question 6. ABC company wants to import files at certain standard times. But occasionally a file will be dropped on a Friday if the 30th of the month falls on a weekend. What is the flow? Option A. A user-initiated message to send an email to customers who made a purchase daily. Option B. Triggered import, user-initiated send. Not scheduled. Option C. A scheduled automation to send emails to customers who made a purchase daily. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Triggered import, user-initiated send, not scheduled. Question 7. Northern Trail Outfitters, NTO, experienced a 24-hour website outage beginning on a peak shopping day. As a result, a number of logged-in customers' shopping sessions were disrupted. When the site is back online, the retailer would like to encourage those shoppers to return the site and continue their shopping. What action should Northern Trail Outfitters, NTO, take? Option A. Create and send an apology email which includes a discount for a future purchase to all customers. Option B. Do not send an email, as outage may have increased negative sentiment, resulting in unsubscribes. Option C. Import a file of logged-in customers into NTO's existing abandoned cart journey in Journey Builder. Option D. Create a user-initiated message to logged-in customers to send once the website is restored. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Create a user-initiated message to logged-in customers to send once the website is restored. Question 8. A user in Marketing Cloud needs to send an email to a Salesforce report via a send flow process. How should the consultant meet this requirement? Option A. Assign the integrated user the Marketing Cloud for App Exchange user permission in Sales Cloud. Option B. Create data validation rules for the integrated user in Sales Cloud. Option C. Create a Salesforce data extension for the user to select during a send flow. Option D. Add custom visual force page to the page layouts in Marketing Cloud. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Create a Salesforce data extension for the user to select during a send flow. Question 9. Analyst of Northern Trail Outfitters. NTO. Marketing team needs to pull email metrics for an upcoming quarterly company meeting. These metrics need to be reported per email campaign for each of NTO's business units. Information. Option A. Campaign email tracking report. Option B. Account send summary report. Option C. Email send report. Option D. Email performance over time report. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Account send summary report. Question 10. Northern Trail Outfitters is concerned with their sender reputation and needs consistent visibility into subscribers who report their email as spam. How should they determine which subscribers reported their email as spam so they can flag those records in their customer service database? Option A. An automation that queries the complaint data view. Option B. An automation that queries the unsubscribed data view. Option C. An automation that generates the spam complaints over time report. Option D. An automation that generates the unsubscribe event extract. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. An automation that queries the complaint data view. Question 11. A retail company's database of record resides at a third-party company that also keeps track of purchase history. Their database only updates once a day where new records can be created and merged. The database uses the unique identified customer ID. The company wants to send real-time welcome emails to newly registered website users who provide their email address in exchange for getting 10% off their first order, and ensure the send is connected to customer ID in the database. What 3 key issues should be addressed? Choose 3. Option A. How will Marketing Cloud and the database synchronize? Option B. What will be used as subscriber key? Option C. Will the company need a custom preference center? Option D. What publication lists will be used? Option E. Will new users have a customer ID? Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. How will Marketing Cloud and the database synchronize? Option B. What will be used as subscriber key? Option E. Will new users have a customer ID? Question 12. When joining a data extension in Contact Builder, in which scenario should a consultant mark the use as root checkbox? Option A. Supplemental data for an interaction in Journey Builder. Option B. One-to-many relationship to the contact record. Option C. Data for both email and mobile connect sends. Option D. Database of record other than all subscribers. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Database of record other than all subscribers. Question 13. ABC company needs to reduce the amount of work when managing messages to customers, but cannot add any more personnel due to budget constraints. There has been an increased number of customer purchases on their website, and the team currently sends batch order confirmations. What solution will decrease manual workloads on the team and will improve their customers' experience? Option A. A user-initiated message to send an email to customers who made a purchase daily. Option B. A triggered message to send an email as soon as a customer completes a purchase. Option C. A scheduled automation to send emails to customers who made a purchase daily. Option D. A triggered automation to send emails to customers who have made a purchase. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. A triggered message to send an email as soon as a customer completes a purchase. Question 14. A customer executes a large number of sends via Marketing Cloud Connect and is concerned about API limits. What should the consultant suggest to minimize the impact of Marketing Cloud Connect on daily API limits? Choose 2. Option A. Filter data. Option B. Upgrade the MC account to connected app. Option C. Turn off link details tracking. Option D. Turn off individual levels tracking. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Upgrade the MC account to connected app. Option D. Turn off individual levels tracking. Question 15. A customer wants to perform an email sent to a subset of a synchronized data extension referencing Sales Cloud custom object data and return tracking to Sales Cloud. What approaches should the consultant recommend? Choose 2. Option A. Use SQL query activities to create a sendable synchronized data extension. Option B. Use synchronized data sources to sync Sales Cloud objects to Marketing Cloud. Option C. Use SQL query activities to output a sendable Salesforce data extension. Option D. Use data filters to segment data to output a sendable data extension. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Use synchronized data sources to sync Sales Cloud objects to Marketing Cloud. Option C. Use SQL query activities to output a sendable Salesforce data extension. Question 16. Marketing Cloud user needs the email addresses of everyone who unsubscribed from a particular email send. This user does not know SQL and does not have access to the enhanced FTP account. What functionality should be used to retrieve the necessary data? Option A. My reports. Option B. My tracking. Option C. Data views. Option D. Tracking extract. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. My tracking. Question 17. A customer needs to import data from an SFTP site. The customer wants to segment the contents of the file and then send emails. Transfer the file to the SFTP site at various times daily. Send to data extensions. Which workflow should meet these requirements? Option A. Triggered automation. Import file, group refreshed, send email. S. Option B. Scheduled automation. Import file greater than SQL query. S. Greater than send email. S. Option C. Triggered automation. Import file greater than SQL query. S. Greater than send email. S. Option D. Scheduled automation. Transfer file, import file greater than SQL query. S. Greater than send email. S. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Triggered automation. Import file greater than SQL queries, send emails. Question 18. A customer wants to create a journey in Journey Builder with the goal of making users activate their accounts within 72 hours of registration. New account registrations are stored in a data extension via an API call with a Boolean field indicating whether the subscriber has activated their Account. The journey should send activation reminder emails 24 hours and 48 hours after creating an account. Which sequence of activities should be used for the customer's journey? Option A. 24-hour wait, decision split, send email greater than 24-hour wait, decision split, send email. Option B. 24-hour wait, decision split, send email greater than 48-hour wait, decision split, send email. Option C. Decision split greater than 24-hour wait, send email, decision split greater than 48-hour wait, send email. Option D. Decision split greater than 24-hour wait, send email, decision split greater than 24-hour wait, send email. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. 24-hour wait, decision split, send email greater than 24-hour wait, decision split, send email. Question 19. A consultant is configuring Marketing Cloud Connect in Marketing Cloud. The customer requires that integrated users only have access to Sales Cloud data visible to them in their Salesforce account. How would the consultant ensure that this requirement is met? Option A. Ensure that the user is assigned a system administrator in Sales Cloud. Option B. Check the scope by user box in Marketing Cloud. Option C. Ensure that the user has the correct profile in Marketing Cloud. Option D. Create a user in Sales Cloud with a system administrator profile. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Check the scope by user box in Marketing Cloud. Question 20. A customer provides a file containing only new and updated subscriber records exported from its marketing database. The file will be uploaded to the customer's enhanced FTP automatically at 3 a.m. daily. The customer requires that the import completes prior to 4 a.m. On average, the file will contain about 2 million rows of data each day. Based on the customer's requirements and recommended best practices, how should the daily file be imported? Option A. Import the file into a list using the update only method. Option B. Import the file into a list using the add and update method. Option C. Import the file into a data extension using the add and update method. Option D. Import the file into a data extension using the overwrite method. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Import the file into a data extension using the add and update method. Question 21. Which three statements about send log data is correct? Choose 3. Option A. Can be stored for periods of time. Option B. Uses measures, filters and programs. Option C. Added to a standard view. Option D. Accessed using query. Option E. Can be viewed in standard report. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Can be stored for periods of time. Option B. Uses measures, filters and programs. Option D. Accessed using query. Question 22. Which two statements about a database of record are correct? Choose 2. Option A. It is any data structure in which multiple opt-in statuses can be stored for a subscriber. Option B. It is a system in which a subscriber's status is maintained. Option C. It is any database containing subscriber data. Option D. It is a centralized storage repository of data about objects or people. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. It is a system in which a subscriber's status is maintained. Option D. It is a centralized storage repository of data about objects or people. Question 23. A customer wants to integrate their website with Marketing Cloud so users can update their marketing communication. Preferences. The customer has in-house web development resources available and is interested in leveraging tools such as Journey Builder in a future. What solution should the consultant propose? Option A. Configure a data structure using lists and leverage the out-of-the-box preference center. Option B. Configure a relational data structure using data extensions and leverage a web collect form hosted in Cloud Pages. Option C. Configure a data structure using lists and leverage a smart capture form the client can iframe into their website. Option D. Configure a relational data structure using data extensions and consult with the customer on API integration with their website. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Configure a relational data structure using data extensions and consult with the customer on API integration with their website. Question 24. Which two statements are correct about send logging? Choose 2. Option A. AMP script can be used to pull data from send logs for use within emails. Option B. Send log data extensions are archived automatically based on retention settings. Option C. A business unit can support up to 3 send logs. Option D. SQL query activities can reference send logs in combination with system data views. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. AMP script can be used to pull data from send logs for use within emails. Option D. SQL query activities can reference send logs in combination with system data views. Question 25. A user receives a message stating that there is an error binding data bound member when testing an entry event in Journey Builder. What can a user do to ensure that contacts enter this interaction successfully based on the error message? Choose 2. Option A. Import new subscribers to the All Subscribers table. Option B. Fire the event in both Automation Studio and the entry event. Option C. Make sure the contact is above the high water mark on the source data. Option D. Select a source with a root relationship to the contact. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Make sure the contact is above the high water mark on the source data. Option D. Select a source with a root relationship to the contact. Question 26. A customer is interested in designing a solution to ensure that subscribers only receive categories of emails that they want to receive. The built-in subscription center will be used as part of the solution. Which feature should be utilized to make this happen? Option A. Send logging. Option B. Publication lists. Option C. Profile center. Option D. Subscriber keys. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Publication lists. Question 27. If I want to introduce a new line of footwear, I am excluding anyone who does not have shoe as an attribute listed in their preference center. I plan to send the emails daily. After a short time, I notice many people updating their preferences, and less emails are going out. What is the issue causing less emails to go out? Option A. Preference center is too strict. Option B. High watermark if Journey Builder. Option C. Email frequency too high. Option D. Deliverability issues on account. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Preference center is too strict. Question 28. A customer has several values that need to be used in the body of an email send. The data would be stored in a reference data extension. Related on subscriber key. There may be one or more records for each subscriber. The audience is generally over 1 million subscribers. The content is time sensitive and should be sent as quickly as possible. The customer is not using catch and release sending. The reference data extension contains 25 columns. What method should be used? Option A. Dynamic content via the dynamic content wizard. Option B. AMP script, a single lookup function. Option C. Server-side JavaScript, a single lookup ordered rows function. Option D. AMP script, a single lookup order rows function. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, AMP script, a single lookup order rows function. Question 29. Subscribers are collected on a customer's website whose subscription database of record is Salesforce Marketing Cloud. The customer sends up to 5 emails per week based on subscriber activity. The list is compiled in a database in the Website Content Management System (CMS), imported into Marketing Cloud nightly at 11 p.m. What action should be taken if a third party is sending a message for the customer outside of Marketing Cloud? Option A. Unsubscribes should be synchronized between senders. Option B. They will need to integrate with the Marketing Cloud SOAP API. Option C. Engagement metrics will be passed into Marketing Cloud. Option D. The third-party send list should be pulled from the CMS. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Unsubscribes should be synchronized between senders. Question 30. A customer team wants to retarget subscribers who click on links of key items promoted across email campaigns. The customer has indicated the following. Emails will be built using a custom dynamic template for these messages. Links will vary over time and across campaigns. Click activity will be cross-referenced with subscribers' regional markets on a master subscriber data extension. Retargeting messages will dynamically populate content based on regional market. In order for this solution to be viable, which skill set does the customer team need to possess? Option A. HTML. Option B. SSJS. Option C. AMP script. Option D. SQL. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, AMP script. Question 31. An entertainment company is hosting events across the country in different venues. They want to use Contact Builder to feed Journey Builder. Contact who enter a journey will go through a decision split based on the type of event. The journey will send a series of emails and one of them will contain the venue details dynamically populated with AMP script. The company collects the following information. Customer data, email address, first name, last name, event registration, email address, event ID, event name, event type, venue ID, venue details, venue ID, venue name, venue address, payment details, email address, event ID, total paid. The company does not want to link everything in Contact Builder. Which are the two data sources that must be incorporated inside Contact Builder? Choose 2. Option A. Event registration. Option B. Customer data. Option C. Venue details. Option D. Payment details. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, event registration. Option C, venue details. Question 32. A financial services customer states that families often share email addresses across multiple checking savings, loan, and credit accounts. The customer needs to allow individual accounts to use the same email address in Marketing Cloud but maintain separate subscriber attributes. Which component should be discussed with the customer to allow for this use case? Option A. Subscriber key. Option B. Contact ID. Option C. Data extensions. Option D. Member record. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Subscriber key. Question 33. A company collects subscriptions on its website. It does the following. Compiles that subscription list in a database in the website content management system, CMS. Posts this encrypted list to Marketing Cloud nightly at 11 p.m. Uses Marketing Cloud as the database of record. Sends up to 5 emails a week based on subscriber engagement with prior sends. Which automation sequence, excluding waits, should cover these requirements? Option A. File transfer, import file, measures, send email. Option B. File transfer greater than SQL query, measures, send email. Option C. File transfer, data extract, filters, send email. Option D. File transfer, import file greater than SQL query, send email. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. File transfer, import file greater than SQL query, send email. Question 34. What is the capability of the import within Contact Builder? Choose 2. Option A. The target destination can be a the list or all contacts for mobile push or connect. Option B. The data source can be a local file, data filter, or file on any FTP. Option C. Like the import wizard, the Contact Builder import definition can be executed without saving. Option D. In order to use map by header row, the fields in the and file must match exactly. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. The target destination can be a the list or all contacts for mobile push or connect. Option D. In order to use map by header row, the fields in the and file must match exactly. Question 35. As part of their brand guidelines, ABC Company uses a custom brand font for all print marketing materials. ABC Company wants to use their custom brand font in email as well. What is the recommended best practice for font usage in email? Option A. Build an email as one image, with all text saved in the brand font. Option B. Use a web-safe font for text that closely matches the brand's custom font. Option C. Edit an email's HTML to list the custom brand font in the style tags font family property. Option D. Build an email using multiple images, with all text saved in the brand font. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Use a web-safe font for text that closely matches the brand's custom font. Question 36. A customer wants to automate the send of a monthly promotional email. The customer will upload an audience file to their account's enhanced SFTP on a monthly basis on the 15th day of each month, expecting the email to be deployed upon completion of the import activity. However, if the 15th of the month falls on a Saturday or Sunday, the customer will provide the file on the Friday prior to the 15th and expect the promotional email to be sent on that Friday. Which method should be used to automate their monthly promotional email? Option A. Create a scheduled daily automation which includes an import file activity and send email activity. Option B. Create a file drop automation which includes an import file activity and send email activity. Option C. Create a scheduled monthly automation which includes an import file activity and triggered send. Option D. Create a file drop automation which includes an import file activity and triggered send. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Create a file drop automation which includes an import file activity and send email activity. Question 37. A customer needs to link demographic information to its contact model in Contact Builder. What type of relationship should be used? Option A. One-to-many relationship. Option B. Many-to-one relationship. Option C. Many-to-many relationship. Option D. One-to-one relationship. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. One-to-many relationship. Question 38. A customer wants to display a subscriber's first name and the date of send in its monthly newsletter. Subscriber first name data is stored in a data extension that will not be used in the send. Definition. Which option should be in this scenario? Option A. Guide template language. Option B. Personalization strings. Option C. AMP script. Option D. SQL query. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Personalization strings. Question 39. ABC company is setting up new hires on its instance of Marketing Cloud, which includes Email Studio, Mobile Connect, and Social Studio. One of the hires needs to manage the operations of all of the North American business units. What two roles, custom or standard, could be assigned to this user to meet the requirement? Choose two. Option A. Marketing Cloud Channel Manager. Option B. Marketing Cloud Administrator. Option C. Marketing Cloud Email Marketing Manager. Option D. Marketing Cloud Regional or Local Administrator. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Marketing Cloud Channel Manager. Option B. Marketing Cloud Administrator.